Good day mga ka-este, kamusta? And this is POTOT este sa mga hindi pa kilala. And this is my YouTube channel. So we're back again. So our new topic ngayon is how to gain more friends. Ang tanong ko, ilan ba ang friends mo? So there are many people, especially ngayon, naghahanap kung paano or how to get more friends or gain more friends, kasi nga there are some na hindi sila maintindihan or hindi sila lapitin ng mga tao. So this time, I'm giving you 5 steps on how to gain more friends. So madali lang. So as for me, I always follow these steps. Kaya nga marami akong kaibigan. So I don't want to sa pagmamayabang, pero at least if you just know me and know me more, and kahit anong search mo or anything else, if you just know my real personality, then you will know bakit marami akong kaibigan. And I also follow these 5 steps, kaya nga marami akong friends. So unang steps is dapat you should be real. Dapat totoo. So in order for you to find a good friend, dapat ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, totoo ka. Para automatically, pag nakikita ka nila, they can easily show up themselves din sa'yo. So that means, if they see something real sa'yo, automatically, that person will also express his or her realness also. Kasi nakita nila na ikaw mismo sa sarili mo safe sila sa sarili mo. So, for being realistic. So, yes, proceed tayo. Number 2, you need to be positive. So, hindi yung positive na sakit ha. Positive, or you need to be optimistic. So, as a person, kung sa Tagalog pa, you need to, kung kahit na yung sitwasyon is napaka-dragging na or maraming problema, you need to think to a positive way, convert it sa pagpapasalamat because of that experiences na na-experience mo. It really helps you to grow, improve as a person. So being positive, optimistic person can really helps also to others na ma-inspire din sila because of you being optimistic. So through that attitude, automatically yung taong nakapaligid sa iyo, kahit na hindi mo alam, they will automatically inspired by what you are doing. So always be positive or optimistic. Yan yung pangalawa natin. Pangatlo, you need to be always wear smile. So anong meron sa smile? So once you smile, pag ang tao pag nag-smile, automatically mag-iisip yan or that person will think na ba't siya nakasmile? So it depends on the motive sa tao, kung anong plan niya or anong balak niya why nag-smile. So wearing smile, real smile, so it can really easily attract the person if you are always smiling, especially if totoo yung pagtawa mo, kasi they can really see na you are a happy person. But we cannot deny that also sad people are wearing mask. That's why they are always smiling. But you know what, wearing the realness of happiness it can really catch up the people, those who are always sad, no? So if you want to gain more friends, you need to be you should smile clearly, or you should smile heartily, para at least makita nila na okay, she is or he is truly happy. And we are human, we can easily also detect those people na smile lang kahit na or smile na plastic, ganun. So we can easily detect that. So our number 3 is always wear real smile. Pang-apat, so once you want to have more friends, of course, hindi mangyayari yan kung wala kang effort or do an action. That is our number 4. So if you want to have more friends, do an effort. Gawa ka ng effort na at least mapansin ka, but not to the extent na yung bang para ka ng tanga. Kahit na feeling mo na hindi ka nila type, wag mo nang ipilit yung sarili mo. So I guess we have this feeling na too much effort, but we know that this person can't really appreciate what our effort are. So space ka na lang. So if you feel naman na that person has this positive response from you, then that's the time na mag-do effort ka para maging kaibigan mo siya, no? So friends, you need to do an effort. Like you see that person is, example, matalino ka sa math, so you help that person kung paano mag-answer ng math, or you know how to dance and that person don't know how, so you help that person, teach them basic dance, no? In that way you can easily communicate with that person, and of course you can easily know her name or his name. So that is the start, no? Kailangan mag-effort ka. Pang-5, of course, aside na mag-effort ka, you need to communicate. So you cannot get his name or her name, you don't know, especially with the background of the person, if you don't want, kung hindi mo siya mahalubilo, or kung hindi mo ma-search yung tao or using social media. So communication is very important. Why? It really helps us to express kung ano yung nasa isip natin, no? Especially with our hearts, and it really helps us to get what we want, especially if getting friends, no? Especially sa topic natin ngayon. And we cannot deny that there are types of communication. We have verbal communication. So that type of verbal communication, it's a way of saying words, no? Saying words, saying positive words to a person. Second, we also have the communication of through touching, no? So one way to feel, one way to help the person, or through touching, it can really helps them to say, okay, this person has this not intimate interest, but you have this good interest to a person to help, or what else. So we are done with communication with verbal, communication with touch, no? And also with communication with thinking, or what else. So communication is very important. So we need to communicate if you want to have or to gain more friends. And don't forget, after knowing the person, this is, ito yung usually na nakalimutan natin, kahit na 1 hour na kayong nag-uusap sa taong bago mo pa lang na you forgot her or his name. So dapat don't forget to introduce your name, and also you need to introduce or ask his or her name para at least di mo makalimutan. And that's the thing now, na at least sharing information with each other, numbers, social media accounts, and might be a beginning for you to have a good friend with that person. So again, you can easily get or gain more friends if you follow those 5 steps. So una, again, you need to be real. Pangalawa, you need to be optimistic. Pangatlo, you need to be wear always smile. Pang-apat, you need to do an action. And Panglima, you need to what? Communicate. And yeah, you need to communicate. So I guess I hope and I'm hoping that you've learned something, and hopefully if you have question, if you have recommendation, reaction, don't forget to like, and of course drop your comment below our comment box. Thank you and goodbye.